It is now time to learn how to print to the device via USB on a Mac computer. We will also learn how to download and install the Mac driver. We begin by plugging in a USB cable to the rear of the printer. Plug the other into the Mac computer. Next, we need to download the latest Mac driver. Go to the Mac and type in Kyocera.info. This will take us to the download center. Assure your country or region is checked. In this example, we are using USA. In the Refine the Product area, type in PA4000. Now click on the EcoSys PA4000WX. Select the operating system from the drop-down arrow. In this example, it will be Mac OS X 10.9 or later. Scroll down the page and find the Mac printer driver. Click on the blue download button. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Agree to Contract and Download button. Once the file has downloaded, Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus file ending in .dmg will appear. Double-click on this file. 3 options will appear. The Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus web build package file, the Mac driver setup guide, and the uninstaller file. Double-click on the first option. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time. To continue installing the software, we must click on Agree. If the installer appears, would like to access files on a removable volume, select Allow. If a message window appears asking to install for all users of this computer, select Continue. Next, click on Install. If a password is asked for, type it in. Select the Install Software button. The installation will begin. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. When the install is completed, a green check mark will appear. Click on Close. If the installer would like to access files in your download folder appears, select Allow. We can keep the install file or move it to the trash. Close out the Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus web build window. Go to System Preferences and click on Printers and Scanners. The Printers and Scanners window will now appear. Select the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax button. Look for the Kyocera EcoSys PA4000WX with the kind defined as USB. Click on it. The name is Kyocera EcoSys PA4000WX. We can change this to whatever we want by typing in the name we choose. In this example, we will keep it what we have. Under Location, this can also be changed by typing in another location name. We are using David's MacBook Pro as the location. Under Use, the Kyocera EcoSys PA4000WX will appear. Click on the drop-down menu. Click on Select Software. Find and click on Kyocera EcoSys PA4000WX KPDL. Press OK. Press Add. The machine will begin setting up. The Printers and Scanners page will appear with the Kyocera EcoSys PA4000WX listed. Click on it. We can make this our default printer by clicking on the Set Default Printer button located here. Press on Done. We have now downloaded and installed the Mac driver and are able to print via a USB cable.